My name's Wendy Cosby and I'm 58 years old. I've struggled a little bit. I'm actually off work. I've been off work for a couple of years with ME, chronic fatigue syndrome. So actually walking is not that easy for me, but I managed it. Because it's only once a week and because it's really probably physically too much for me, I haven't noticed a difference physically. I think post-COVID though, what I've noticed is a difference mentally and socially. I think with COVID I was so concerned that I would get, my condition would worsen, that I very much kept myself in the house and didn't go very far, and a lot of things obviously shut down, didn't they? So I've just found that socially I wasn't seeing anybody, and I used to suffer from depression. So in terms of getting out and about and actually meeting people and being social and having a laugh, that's the most important thing I think, is I've really enjoyed it and had fun doing it. I think what I would like to do is keep in touch with some of the people I've met on the walks, possibly not quite as far as some of them, because for me personally it has been a bit of a struggle, the physical element of it, but to actually meet up and get out and have, you know, a short walk is really good. I've got an elderly dog, but unfortunately I'm even more fit than the dog is now, so the dog doesn't really get me out and about. So yeah, I mean, Jim and I are neighbours, and he hasn't got any sort of access to sort of like computers and so on, so I found out about this on Facebook originally and through Healthbox forwarding information as well. So I mean, it's one of those things that he wouldn't have found out about if it hadn't been for sort of like me telling him. So I think it's important as well to get out to those people that are basically at home and not able to access things. The best thing I've got out of the last few weeks is having fun, having a laugh. Some of the volunteers on here have been really good fun, and well, all of the volunteers on here have been really good fun. They've been really friendly people, informative, had information about the canals, history of the local areas and so on, but most of all a few jokes, so we've had a great time.